Alright guys, so before this video starts, this is the look for today, and I'll actually be wearing my hair from Julia Hair on AliExpress. This is their Malaysian curly. I made this wig last night up into this morning, and there's actually 3 bundles and a closure. 3 bundles and a closure. Now I've gotten curly hair before. I am yet to receive a bad curly hair. The only thing I don't like personally about Malaysian hair is that it doesn't get as big as I want it to get big. You know, it kind of stays stained, but this is big enough. I forced the hairs in it. Also, my technique was a little bit different making this wig. I actually put the 20-inch in between the 24 and the 26 to give a little bit of volume. Now this is actually coming off as a side part based on how the closure falls, because I have it set in the middle, but because this side is already pre-parted, it's falling to the side. But I do not mind it at all. Again, this hair is from Julia Hair on AliExpress. Gorgeous, beautiful hair. I'm definitely going to be coming to do a review, a 1 month update for you guys, or a 2 week update or so. Just 26 inches, and I won't bore you any longer. Again, Julia Hair, Malaysian curly, loving it. And I'll chat to you guys in the next video. Watch this one, it's beautiful, a beautiful video for you guys. I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Can you tell I'm rushing? Can you tell? Talk to you in the next video. Alright guys, so I hear my voice. Yes, I'm hoarse. I'm sorry, I'm coming to you doing this voiceover with a sore throat. I feel like I'm getting sick as well, like man, I'm really stuffy. But I'm doing my brows how I would typically do my brows, and that's just drawing them on. Then where my natural brows end, I'm adding the black eyeliner pencil. Now I'm defining my brows using I think this is called Toffee, and it's just a Sasha Cosmetics concealer, right? So I go underneath to define, and I also go on top. I know some girls are versed with not going on top to define, but I don't know how to do that yet. So I'm going ahead and I'm applying my Fenty Beauty primer. I haven't used this primer in a very long time, and to be honest, I'm breaking out on my forehead. I don't know if it's this primer, but it's the only thing I've changed in my skincare routine, and I am breaking out. So then I'm going to set it with my powder. This is my Sasha Buttercup Perfect. No, I'm sorry. My Sasha Cosmetics Perfect Spice pressed powder. So I'm going to set my primer, and it just helps so that there isn't any, so my makeup lasts longer. So for my foundation, I'm actually using Sasha Buttercup again, and I'm using Perfect Cocoa. Are you hearing that in the background? Guys, it's so difficult. Guys, are you hearing this? Like, hear that. It's Sunday morning. You think not Sunday morning, it's an afternoon. You think I'm in America and like the boys are playing football downstairs or something. But that's football that they're playing for real downstairs, or watching rather, but they're playing it. Yeah, so this is actually Toffee from LA Pro Conceal, right? And I'm going in with the brushes I used to apply my foundation, the Perfect Cocoa, and I'm just blending out the edges. So sorry, oh my god, you guys, they're really loud. My apologies if you can hear that, but thumbs up if you are a YouTuber and you find it difficult to record, difficult to do voiceovers, difficult to have this YouTube career, because it's hard, I'm telling you. Oh god. Now I'm using my Buttercup loose powder from Sasha Cosmetics. But first, I'm just going to remove any crease that may be under my eyes, and I'm going to set my highlighted areas with it. Guys, my voice does not sound good at all during this voiceover, so I'm going to go ahead and play some music from here on out. But I have the Sasha Buttercup. I'm using Perfect Spice as my pressed powder all over. Then for my eyeshadow, I'm going to use Sasha Cosmetics eyeshadows as well. But for my lips, I'm actually going to be using Freckle Fiesta from Fenty Beauty. On my brow bone is Sasha Cosmetics Buttercup as well. And I'll be using use a brown compact in my crease. That's actually Sasha Cosmetics Perfect Bronze that I'm using. And this is what I'm using on my eyes is my LA Pro Primer in black. But my voice sounds horrible. I'm going to leave you guys to the song now. But yeah, hopefully I feel better in a couple of days or so. But I have so much more video to do voiceovers for you guys for, and I don't know how I'm going to accomplish that. I'm sorry, guys. I love you though. Thanks for your support. Your support. I can't get my words out.
Humility. Humble yourself and be exalted. Exalt yourself and be abused. God bless me. Now I over material things. No land, no house, no blings. No car with no rims. Me only I about the kings of kings. Boy come a talk about floss and swagging. Say him full of woman till them all am a them. Say him full of money and no boy can't rob him. And him sit down pan cash. Him fly like Aladdin. Him go on Facebook and as him login. Him couldn't believe the picture him get a tagging. It's a next man him see a hack as him. Never know she steal from the rich figure the poor robbing. Why me? Now I over material things. No land, no house, no blings. No car with no rims. Me now show off if me a ball of me sins. No me. Now I over material things. No land, no house, no blings. No car with no rim. Me only I about the kings of here. You a brag and a boast. Go to a woman and know I've only the most. Weekend pan the North Coast when they take most of them. Never have a Bible in a them house. And I'm here, high status them a post and a pose. With big like them they in a the force. But that can't save you, not even close. Hunger thing matter the Holy Ghost. That's why me, now I over material things. No land, no house, no blings. No car with no rims. Me now show off if me a fall and me sins. No me, now I over material things. No land, no house, no blings. No car with no rim. Me only I bought the king of kings. Because you have a scoop on your face. People say you run the place. And you have a gun on your waist. No feel you bigger than God's amazing grace. Don't hype, cause that you lock the place. Remember say you just time you are waste. Never know say you be humble yourself. Cause he that exalt himself shall be a that's why me, now I over material things. No land, no house, no blings. No car with no rims. Me now show off if me a ball and me sins. No me, now I over material things. No land, no house, no blings. No car with no rims. Me only I about the kings of kings. Boy come a talk about floss and swagging. Say him full of woman till them all am a them. Say him full of money and no boy can't rob him. And him sit down pan cash. Him fly like Aladdin. Him go on Facebook and as him login. Him couldn't believe the picture him get a tagging. It's a next man him see a hack as him. Never know she's